Traxxas M41 Widebody. The Traxxas M41, priced at $450, is a high-performance RC boat engineered for speed, stability, and precision. As a detailed replica of the DCB M41 widebody catamaran, this 40-inch powerhouse can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour when powered by 6S LiPo batteries, delivering exhilarating performance for serious RC boating enthusiasts. Its wide twin-hull catamaran design provides Pro Boat Impulse 32 inches. The Pro Boat Impulse 32 inches, priced at $550, is a high-performance RC boat built for enthusiasts who crave speed, precision, and advanced technology. Powered by a Spectrum 2000 kilovolt water-cooled brushless motor and a smart 160-amp ESC, this sleek vessel reaches speeds exceeding 55+ miles per hour, delivering intense excitement on the water. Its Altair AA Aqua RC boat. The Altair AA Aqua is an excellent entry-level RC boat, priced at just $40, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and casual hobbyists. Powered by a reliable 390 brushed motor, it reaches speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, about 18.6 miles per hour, providing plenty of fun on pools, lakes, and rivers. It's Traxxas Spartan. The Traxxas Spartan is a high-performance RC boat built for speed, power, and durability, perfect for serious RC boating enthusiasts. Priced at $400, this 36-inch deep V hull racer can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour when paired with 6S LiPo batteries, offering thrilling performance on both calm and choppy waters. Powered by a Valinian 540 XL brushless motor with a water cooling jacket, Dirks 2104, priced at just $100, the Dirk 2104 offers outstanding performance and value, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned RC enthusiasts. Equipped with a powerful 2212 brushless motor, it reaches speeds of over Pro Boat 1/6, scale 24-inch Jetstream. The Pro Boat 1/6, scale 24-inch Jetstream is a rugged, high-performance RC boat priced at $550. Designed with scale accuracy and durability in mind, it features a powerful water-cooled brushless system that excels in rough water, effortlessly handling whitewater streams, waves, and jumps. Its jet pump propulsion system includes a reverse gate for realistic control and maneuverability, while the adjustable nozzle trim allows for precise directional tuning. Built for extreme conditions, the Jetstream boasts an armor-plated ABS hull and aluminum wear ring, ensuring long-lasting performance. Adding to its realism, the boat features officially licensed Shreddy and Mojo liveries, complete with a scale driver figure, steering wheel, and simulated speakers. The SSL Quick Swap battery system makes recharging easy, and the Spectrum SLT3 Traxxas DCB M41. The Traxxas DCB M41 is a striking, high-performance RC boat priced at $450, modeled after the real-life DCB M41 widebody catamaran. Featuring a powerful Valinian brushless power system, it reaches speeds of over Pro Boat Recoil 218-inch. The Pro Boat Recoil 218-inch is a compact, high-performance RC boat that delivers big thrills in a small package. Priced at $200, it features a Spectrum brushless motor and ESC, reaching speeds of over 25 miles per hour. Perfect for fast-paced fun on the water. Despite its smaller size, the Recoil 2 boasts Pro Boat's legendary self-righting capability, allowing it to flip upright with the push of a button. It comes ready to run with a Spectrum Smart 3S LiPo battery and an S120 USB-C charger included, so you're set to hit the water straight. Atomic Barb Wire 3. The Atomic Barb Wire 3 is a compact yet powerful 17-inch brushless RC boat, delivering thrilling speeds of over 30 miles per hour, all at an affordable price of just $80. Powered by a 2,950 kilovolt water-cooled brushless motor and a high-performance Venom 75 ProBoat Blackjack 24 inches. The ProBoat Blackjack 24 inches is a sleek and high-performance RC catamaran designed for speed enthusiasts and precision control. Priced at $300, it's powered by a 2,000 kilovolt brushless motor and a 30-ampere lithium polymer-compatible electronic speed controller, delivering exhilarating speeds of up to 30 miles per hour with smooth acceleration and excellent stability. The Spectrum STX 2.4 GHz radio system provides dependable control. Traxxas Spartan. The Traxxas Spartan is a high-performance RC boat built for speed, power, and durability. Perfect for serious RC boating enthusiasts. Priced at $400, this 36-inch deep V hull racer can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour when paired with 6S LiPo batteries, offering thrilling performance on both calm and choppy waters. Powered by a Valinian 540 XL brushless motor with a water-cooling jacket, the Spartan delivers exceptional speed and long-lasting reliability. Its waterproof VXL6S marine speed control and high-current connectors ensure consistent operation in all conditions. The boat comes equipped with Traxxas Stability Management. Traxxas Disruptor. The Traxxas Disruptor is a high-performance RC boat built for adrenaline junkies. Priced at $350, it features a 26-inch reinforced deep V hull crafted from lightweight injection-molded ABS for optimal speed and durability. Powered by a VXL4S marine electronic speed control and a powerful brushless outrunner motor, it can reach speeds of over 40 miles per hour when paired with a 4S LiPo battery. Its rapid self-righting system ensures fast recovery after capsizing, while the patented